or stripes with sort of a twist in between. So this is the mid circle, right? But what we can say here is mid circle, but boundary. Meaning this is going to be the boundary of our mid circle because we might need another circle here as well, which will have the same radius as we have with the bottom circle. So I can connect this over here and delete this and wire display hidden. Why I am adding this? Maybe I can preview this off. I'm adding this because if we can create sort of lines in between these two, then the stripes is going to be the ones that we want to have rather than they all go like vertical. Some of them can be horizontal or perpendicular to the top ones. So if I divide these again, divide curve, let's say with 10, but in that one I think we are using 30. So let's divide them into 30. Okay. And let's divide them into 30. And if I create a line in between, see, I had this line and this line here as well. So what I can do here is for these segments, what I can do is I can replace the list for the third one, I think, right? So, or I can replace these tree branch completely, or let's say, like, let's do something from the scratch. All right. So if you want to do this, what we are going to do is we'll be having this very same merge component, but this time what we are going to do is we are going to divide these curves, divide this one, divide this one with the same amount of number, let's say 30 again. Okay, and we can have the same for actually for all of them, right? So hidden, so wire display hidden 30, 30, and we'll do the same for the bottom ones. But let me also add the shadows for this. So parameters, curves, right? Parameters, curves. So we start with this guy. We put this guy in first. We put this guy in second. But what I need to do is I need to graft this, or I can graft them all here. Graft and graft. What I can do is copy this and paste for these ones. I can have this circle. I can have this circle again. I can have this circle. I can have this circle again. And then I can pull out my merge component here. This guy is going to be the top one. This guy is going to be the one below. So I craft this and craft this as well. Let's craft this too. Not flatten, let's craft it too. And if we do the same, so maybe group this, like group this and group this. This slider is really important, so I can connect this slider to here, this count, and to this count as well, and then I'll be just changing the counts into wire display hidden, wire display hidden. Okay, and what I can do here is take this, remove from the group, and like maybe add it to here with a rectangle around this, because this is quite important. Group this guys all and paint it into red so that we always know this. And maybe I can draw an arrow here, scribble maybe. I mean, this is important. That's why I'm spending a bit of time here to show you. So I'll be showing you in a minute as well. So division, um, and make it large and adding to the screen. So you see, if I add this, it's completely controlled by this guy here. And then if I take this all here and connect this line, let's see what we are going to have. Of course, we don't see anything because we didn't loft any of these. So, okay, there is a problem. So 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3. So one here, one circle here. Oh, we connect the wrong one. That is the problem. So 26, 26, they're all 26. You need to be 26 too. So the first one has this. Okay, why don't we also simplify them all? Because there might be a problem during the process. So if I loft this now, you see I started to have something quite nice, right? Preview this off. And if I divide, like preview this all points off, preview this all points off, preview you guys off, and adding a color swatch to you to have a bit of a better understanding of what we have done. So what we did is basically like taking the first curves, right? Taking these stripes, taking second stripes, and the third stripes are these guys, you see? That's why it's rotating and pulled here to this guy. And then we proceed with this. So there are a couple of variations we can play around with, and I'll be showing you those things in our next video. In the meantime, I'll be putting a group here since this is our visualization. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we add more complexity to this guy.